Hey guys, I downloaded PVZ1 even though it is full with ads. So enjoy this gameplay, I guess. Enjoy this gameplay. Enjoy this gameplay. Yeah. 200 bucks. Heads are big. I don't know why. Head big. I don't know why head big. This is easy. These 3 shooters will definitely carry around. Let's see if I can just complete this game with 5 playthroughs. 10 playthroughs. 10. Yay, sunflower. Yay, sunflower. Wow, amazing. Wow. Wow, yay. Wow, yay. I know. Stop it. I know beeswax. No. I know beeswax. Stop teaching me. Okay, fine. Are you happy now? Where's zombie? Where's zombie? Where's zombie? Oh, there's zombie. There's zombie. There's zombie abu-aba.
Ini ikannya pada kemana sih? Dari tadi mancing kok gak dapat ikan, cuma dapat sampah. Bro, lu dari tadi mancing
banyak di situ.
Dapat sampah juga.
Ya emang di situ. Di sini. Ini kan PVZ 1. Oh, we're already 2 minutes into the recording. Boo-hoo, yay. Yay, I think I'm going to go at least hindi ka ba nonton dito? I think I'm going to each chapter, okay? Each boss fight I will end up recording. This is very boring. Queen front. This guy will survive. Trust me, this guy will survive. This guy will survive, okay? Okay? Yeah, that does. Ow! He's crunching and that's sunflower. Crunch. I know. Cherry bomb. He's a bomb with a cherry. Huh? No. Walnut. I get walnut. Walnut is a defensive plant that is defensive. Wow. Did you know Did you know that the tree of wisdom actually says that you place 2 columns of sun? That's what I do. Wow. I'm going to story. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I swear it was 8. I swear it was 8. It was 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8. Okay. This ball. Oh no, there's the cone head. Zambasian. Why are the heads so big in this version? I played the replanted one in the console and it is not that big. Okay. It just feels odd. Anyways, oh no. You better make it fast if you don't want that guy to be dead. He's dead. Yeah. Oh yeah, I don't have no shovel. Are you serious? Where? Hello? Hello? Come on! Send it in! Send it in! Send it in! Send it in! Thank you! Boo-hoo! Boo-hoo! Hold on. Whoa! It's wounded! I bet this will be... Anyways, yeah, my name is John Homona. It's actually a canon name. Get that? Hello? Get that, get that, get that! Yeah! Okay, stall on this nut for 10 minutes. Oh, there's a lot of sun. Crunch on that nut, buddy. Nut. Yeah, crunch on that nut, loser. Okay, there we go. Damn, that guy. Damn. supply. Oh, so if you don't survive, you don't. Do you not? Okay, that's very good. Very good. And that's it. Yeah. I need to strengthen these because I will be doing a cherry bamboo one. Yeah. Need at least 3 pea shoots there. I hate that I can't swipe the sun. Really can't. Come on, Jamon. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. I'm getting some views. A huge wave zombos approach. Okay, there's a lot of zombies. Kaboom! Yay, the shovel. Wow, wee, woo, wee. Okay, anyways, we're going to do bowling. Blah blah blah. Let the game commence. Yay. Yeah, blah blah blah. Wobble wobble. Why are they exploding nuts? Okay. Perfect for the bomb. Ow! What? Why are they exploding nuts? Stop giving me explosive nuts. Stop it. Oh, I think I'm about to end. Yay, we got potato main. Okay, goodbye, guys. Bye. Bye. Goodbye, dude. I said, uh, only one chapter, but this is too late. Okay, goodbye.